Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your side hustle with Klaviyo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. If you don't have an account, visit klaviyo.com to sign up. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Lists and Segments tab on the left sidebar. Create a new list by clicking the Create List button. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new email campaign. Choose whether you want to send a one-time email or a series of emails. Select your newly created list as the recipient for your campaign. In the Campaign Builder, choose an email template that fits your brand. Customize the template by adding your logo, images, and text. Make sure to include clear calls to action that encourage engagement. Next, set up the subject line and preview text for your email. Once you're satisfied with your content, click Review. Check for any errors or last-minute adjustments before sending. Schedule your campaign to go live at a peak engagement time. After sending, monitor the campaign's performance metrics. Analyze open rates and click-through rates for insights. Use these metrics to refine your future campaigns. Consider segmenting your audience for more targeted messaging. Start creating automated flows for customer engagement. Regularly review your campaign performance for ongoing improvements. Keep testing different subject lines and content styles. Leverage Klaviyo's analytics to better understand your audience's preferences. Apply insights gained from analytics to your marketing strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your side hustle with Klaviyo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.